How to buy CORE DAO on Metamask. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Metamask. Enter your login credentials and then make sure that you are signed into your specific account. First of all, you have to activate the core network. In order to do so, click on this Ethereum main network at the top. Here, scroll all the way down and proceed to add network. You will have to head over to custom networks. In this page, you simply have to fill up all of this information. You can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just pasted. Once you are done, click on Add. Once again, click on this Ethereum main network at the top. Now over here you can see the core blockchain network has been added successfully. You have to click on it. And then click on Got It. Well, now we're gonna buy core token from OKX mobile app. So you minimize the MetaMask and then head over to OKX app. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, you need to make sure that you have already deposited the USDT. Once you have deposited, click on this icon at the bottom. In the source bar, you need to source for core, and it will land you on this interface. Let's say you have got $10. That will give us 10.74 of the core. You have to click on the buy core. You have to fill up all of these informations and then click on confirm. Once the order has been finished, head over to your assets menu and then click on withdrawal. In the source bar, source for core and then click on it. You have to click on on-chain. You have to enter our address from Metamask. Head over to Metamask and then click on core. This page will pop up. You simply have to copy this address and then go back to your previous page. Enter the address over here that you have just copied before, and then fill up all of the amounts and click on submit at the bottom. Once that's been done, you'll receive the CORE DAO on Metamask, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can buy CORE DAO on Metamask. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you find this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.